or not, the Maverick is not gloating, nor am I happy with the early World Cup defeat of Argentina and starman Lionel Messi. We're not quite celebrating a possible first-round exit for Messi, but the vindication is real. All the holler we used to holler from the mountaintop that Messi's legacy will forever be compromised because of his constant flopping at the World Cup level. And we're not even talking about winning the World Cup, but at least putting down some Messi-like, Messi-level performances on the biggest football stage. Save himself and save him fans. Yes. Now, with this disastrous start to his 5th World Cup tournament, the chicken is coming home to roost again. As me say, I'm not rejoicing. Could I never be rejoicing for the exit of the biggest star at the first round of the World Cup. But this long time me are telling about Messi. Who know diss me, say me bad mind, I'm a bias, I'm a hate Messi, and blah, blah, blah. Nothing is further from the truth. Lionel Messi is a football super talent that deserves a World Cup title. But him flop too much. Him have a big state problem, Messi. Him have a big state. 5 times, no Messi. 5 times.